Sirens, come here. It's time to do a Coachella unboxing. Let's do it. Welcome back to my channel. Talk to me, talk to me. Sirens. This week is something different because you asked for it. So here we are. Okay, so I'm excited for this video today because we are unboxing all the Coachella goodies that I received, and there is a lot. Shall we start? Look at all the bags! Ha! It's Christmas. I got these two goodies from a friend. Actually gave them to me at Joshua Tree, so thank you, Jordan. He was like, I don't want these. And I was like, I do. Oh, this is a guest bag, but two guest bags. Maybe I'll give one away. At the end of this video, one of you is gonna receive one of these bags. Ah! Wait till the end of the video. The first event that I went to was the 818 event, and I must say, at Coachella, this event is my favorite. Not only two, 3 hydro jugs. Wait, this is a vibe. We got some cloud cards, brands, Maine, Salt and Stone pop-up, and I got the deodorant. I've been hearing some like mixed views about this deodorant. Oh, I think it's like a little spicy, but I think it smells great. It's fresh, but then it has a little bit of spice to it at the same time. I think at the end of this video, a bunch of the things I don't necessarily need or want, I'm gonna do like a little like giveaway. So maybe we can organize something in the comments, and in the next video I can tell you the winners and who's gonna win the bag, maybe the cards, something else. So get excited because I don't need all this. The next booth was Urban Decay, and I got so many goodies from this. This is the all-nighter setting spray, to Urban Decay mascara, the Urban Decay liquid liner, the Urban Decay eyeshadow. Oh my god, it's Kylie. Yo, Kylie, go. I don't own anything Kylie. Oh my god, it tastes so good. This applicator is so nice. And that is it in the 818 bag. Some of you might win some goodies from it. Stay tuned. This next one, from the private showing that I had before going to Coachella, brand that's from Spain, from Madrid. Still need to visit Madrid. I received this at another party, so I might give this away too. Now, I got to choose my goodies at this private showing. This bralette, which is so cute. Fun shirt. It's so cute. I love anything that has like weird graphics on it or funny photos. Also got this jumper, like so cool. And it's so comfortable and big. Oh, this size is an extra small. Thank you. Love you guys. I need to visit Spain, Madrid soon. This next bag, I literally am so excited. I know I said that 818 was my favorite, but I believe this might be my favorite because I've never used any Rhode products. And I got so many Rhode products that I cannot wait to use. I won these 2 plushies. We had this game where you had to like throw a pin at the balloon, and if you got 3, then you win plushies. Symbotica. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce these brands. What is in the Rhode bag? First we have the glazing mist. I'm revived. Whoa. A box of the peptide eye prep. Oh my god. Look, I'm gonna be like those aesthetic girls wearing the Rhode under eye mask on a plane. This is the case. It attaches to the foam. This one matches my shirt. Caramelized banana. Pimple patches. Got 2, which means I got 1 to give away. This is the Intensive Moisture Balm. I cannot believe how many goodies I received from Rhode. Thank you, Haley. I cannot wait to try all these amazing products. And when I do try out the Rhode products, I'll be sure to let you know in the comments or the next vlog.
I couldn't find a list called Let You Know. Should I create one?
What is going on with my Alexa today? She's gone crazy.
I couldn't find a list called Calm Down. Should I create one?
No!
Okay.
She's technically my other half. Thank you, Hailey Bieber. Love you, girl, so much. Cannot wait to try all these products and let you know what I think about them. One of you will receive the glazing mist. This is actually so overwhelming, but in the best way possible. I cannot believe how many products I received at Coachella. There's more to go. So hold on, please hold on. Camp Push. Let's start there. Surfer Girl texturizing spray. There was actually a lot of things at Camp Push, but I didn't end up staying in the lines to grab everything, so I only got a few things, which I'm not complaining about. I got some Kylie stuff, some Lemmy gummies, which was amazing. Now, do you see this bag? Your girl did some Coachella merch shopping. Wasn't just for me, my sister. We are both fans, massive fans of Sabrina. We got her this shirt. My house is on Portugal Avenue. We got this shirt. I like my men all incompetent. Oh, if you watched my Coachella vlog, I also went to this pre-festival gifting suite that gave so many things. Number 1, it is so comfy. I also received a bag of boba supplements. These are the goodies. Nail kit from Glamnetic. So cute. Nail remover, which is what I need. I am a sucker for press-on nails now. I hate getting my nails done, so Glamnetic has got me covered. Tizo Mineral Sunscreen and Skincare. There is so much. Oh my god, what is this? We got a face cream, a sleeping mask, foaming cleanser, a whole range of skincare. Very important. There's still more to come. More! I hope you're holding tight and you're loving this, because there is more. I actually could have worn this to Coachella, but I was like, you know what? We're just gonna keep it for something else. It's like a corset top. Cute! This is the brand, by the way. Nature Made sleeping mask. Who wants a sleeping mask? Squishies. Look how cute! It's so adorable. And they also gave me some mystery box squishies. I think I'm gonna leave one of these for you, and I'm gonna open this one. See a turtle, a chicken. What is this? What is this? An ice cube. This is so cool. Some Nature Made gummies. This one is for hair, skin, and nails. Some collagen gummies. We received Ossia, this new skincare brand that I've been meaning to try. It's the brand that you saw Diara on. Recently went to a Korean skin analysis, and they told me that I need to use vitamin C serum, so I'm really excited to try and see what it does for my under eyes. Almost there, almost there. People around here think I'm crazy, but I don't care. Trials and tribulations, I've had my share. Okay, we're done. We got some magnesium supplements. 7 forms of magnesium is wild. Next one, I've been using this a lot. It's the Collab dry shampoo. Now in this bag, there is a bunch of random shit. This little lime drink. More dry shampoo. Oh, that's so sweet. These cute little clips. This is the prettiest packaging. What else did we receive? A roll-up water bottle, a cute little mirror. It's a lip jelly. Buff City soap. Some body wash. And I got some laundry detergent as well, and a candle. So cool. The final packages that I have received. I got these aloe socks. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I received a whey package right before I left for Coachella, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to wait to try this out. Bond Repair Balm. Finally, I received a Tatcha package. These look so nice. That was so much fun. I cannot believe all the goodies I received. Wow, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be giving away this one as well. So I'm gonna be putting together a little box of goodies to give away to a few sirens who have been with me, or just maybe we'll do a random raffle or something like that, to win a bunch of the goodies that I received at Coachella. And to thank you for supporting me always, sirens. You mean the world to me. Thank you for watching this crazy Coachella unboxing. Woo! See you next week. Love you, sirens. Thank you for watching this unboxing with me.